Okay, today we got a Leer 122 series fiberglass truck cab. Fits the 88 to 98 Chevy full-size trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. This top has some clear coat issues, a little bit of paint issues. See right there, it's got some scratches in it. There, right there, and then you can see on the top and the side here that the clear coat is definitely peeling. Pretty much all the way through that. Got a couple scratches right here, and then another one set down there. There used to be a rubber trim that was around this when it was new on this bottom edge here, and it's all gone. But the bottom edge doesn't look all chewed up, but the rubber trim they put on there is missing. Does have this single bay window in the back, sliding window in the front, dark blue in color. Picture window on the front. Does have some scratches on the front edge there, up through there. You can see again where you can see the clear coat peeling. Down through here. This side not too scratched up on this side. This side does have some scratches in them. Right through here. Some right here on the corner there. Right there, some up through here, some scuffs. This side on the top and the top edge, clear coat's peeling again on this side, just like it is the other side. Structurally, it's pretty good. Just has the paint issues there. A couple scratches right there. You can see that edge trim is missing on this side as well. Looks like, no, that's just a piece of clear coat. Oops. A couple stone chip there, but at this point, what's that little chip make a difference? Right above the window, the clear coat's peeling again right in through here. Like I said, other than this, the paint, it's not a bad unit. Back edge looks good. Double T-handle locking rear door. Single bay on this side, sliding window in the front. Does have a hole in the screen right there. And then there's one down here as well. Picture window in the front. The side has a sliding window in it as well. The screen's got a really small hole right there. Bay window on this side. There it is, Leer 122 series topper. Fits the 88 to 98 Chevy full-size trucks with the 6.5 foot bed, dark blue color. Below is a link to this on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done through that link there. There's a link to our website in general, so we're just looking for parts, repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, things like that. Those can all be purchased online there as well. As with all our truck caps, we do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.